with Raven.
Watch to the end to get a clue on what Pokemon will be doing next in the next video. Hi, this is Art with Raven. Today we're going to make Haunter. The colors you need purple, pink, and black. Get a ball ready to make the head. Start by flattening out the Play-Doh. Now start by shaping his horns on top of his head. Now make some horn-like things for his tail. I forgot you need to get white for his eyes. Make triangles for the eyes. Next, make black slits for his eyes. Make a mouth shape and then get more purple to make the teeth. Great, now get more purple for the hands. Good job. Now we're going to use black for the outline. Good job, now you've made a Haunter.
Haunter.